If you want to become a citizen of another country and you want to get another passport, you're going to have to pass a criminal background check. Hi, my name is Darren Woodfork, and I'm an attorney here in Scottsdale, Arizona. And on this channel, I talk about various legal issues in America and around the world. And today I want to talk about the requirements for citizenship by investment. I talked about this in a previous video pretty recently, and I'll put it in the card here. And basically what citizen by investment is that if you want to become a citizen of another country or you want to get the other country's passport, you can invest in some money, basically invest in the real estate or put money in a bank account, in a foreign bank account, and then after a certain period of time, they'll give you citizenship, and then you can get a passport. I talked about that in this video previously, and I'll put it at the end of this video too. But and there's only about 20 countries, I think, maybe even 15 countries that allow you to get their citizenship, and I talked about that all in that previous video. But if you do want to become a citizen on one of those, 20 or so countries, you're going to have to pass a background check and various requirements. And that's also the same, and you might have heard it before if you were trying to work overseas. Not getting a citizenship, but if you just wanted to work for a period of time, you have to get a work visa. And a lot of times people can't get a work visa because they have an American criminal background record, because they have a rap sheet here. The foreign country won't give them a work visa. One of the specific countries that I know of is China. China won't let you work there if you have a criminal record here in America. They won't give you a visa. But what I'm talking about here today is the citizenship by investment. And if you do have like the money and you do want to invest and you do want the passport, you're going to have to satisfy the country's requirements. And every country is different. And like I said in the other video, if you're interested in doing this, just Google the term, citizenship by investment and the country that you're looking to go to, and then you can figure out the requirements for getting in there to doing the citizenship by investment. But anyways, each country sets their own standards, is what I'm trying to say. They set the minimum amount, how much money they will accept for the citizenship by investment. Like I said, some places it's as low as I think $100,000. And then some places I think it's high as $500,000, maybe even $1 million. That you'd have to give to the country or invest in the country in order to get that citizenship by investment. They'll have to do a background check on you. Like I said, they're going to look and see if you have a criminal record. They'll do all your background check. They will hire an outside firm to go in and do all this stuff for you, basically investigate your background or whatever. Usually it takes about, I don't know, they say it takes 6 months, maybe a year to do all that background check. So that's how long you have to wait in order for them to let you to, again, invest in the country to get the citizenship. They're going to look at your medical records. They're going to look at police reports, and they're going to look at financial statements also. One of the things that they'll do for sure is that they do what's called they look for source of funds, and you have to be able to tell them or have to have a good explanation of where the money's coming from, essentially. Obviously, the countries don't want you coming into their country, laundering money. So you have to prove kind of where the money comes from as far as what they call source of funds. So those are like some of the big requirements that you'd have to satisfy if you want to do a citizenship by investment into another country. It's getting popular now, as far as there's a lot of people who want to leave the country and become a citizen of another state. Not because they want to move completely, but they just want they want options. They want another passport so that they can move around the world easier. And so, anyways, hope that helps. But like I said, if you have any interest in this, just Google the term, research it, and then you'll see all the information that you want. Once again, thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks.